Hey dolls, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michawn and that's Caleb. Isaiah's taking a nap. And I do weekly DIYs, hauls, and other fun things. If you're not new, hey doll, hey. So in today's video, I am sharing with you some really nice, really high-end looking table centerpieces. Now, I styled them for Christmas and winter, but you can totally do whatever it is that you want to do for whatever season that you have in mind. What I really love about these centerpieces is that I didn't use much of any hot glue, so changing out the florals is no problem at all. I really hope you all enjoy this. If you do, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell right next to it so you're notified every time that I upload. Hi. All right, dolls, let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so for this first centerpiece, I'm going to go ahead and take a large platter from Dollar Tree and 3 glass cylinder vases. Now, I chose 2 that were shorter than the middle one. It's going to be a little taller. Then I'm going to take this diamond wrap from Dollar Tree. It has 3 rows on it, but what I'm going to do is cut that down so I can just have 2 rows on it, if that makes any sense. It's super easy to cut because I think it's just like, it's not even wire. It's just like cotton or something that's stuck together with. I have no idea. But yeah, so I just cut that down and then I'm starting to hot glue it on the edge. And I just wanted something better in regards to texture on this tray. So I just went all the way around on that. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and spray paint that white using my Rust-Oleum spray paint. This is what it looks like once I'm done. You can still kind of see the image on that, but it's going to be covered, so it's not that big a deal. The next thing I did is took this reindeer moss and hot glued that directly onto the platter. And then I realized I needed to put my glasses in place to make sure that I didn't have the moss underneath the cylinders, if that makes any sense. So I just hot glued them down right into place where I needed them and then continued to hot glue down that reindeer moss all around the platter. I didn't do that huge of like a full look to it. You can still see a little bit of the tray in it. I just wanted a nice thin layer of the reindeer moss on there. And then after that, I took a bunch of these pretty gorgeous florals that I got from Walmart for 97 cents. I'm going for more of a winter white theme on this tray, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, I just went ahead and arranged all of the florals the way that I wanted. Once that was done, I added some sand inside of my cylinder vases, and then I put some candles in there. I've had these candles for a while. I haven't been able to find these kind of candles at Dollar Tree lately, but yeah, I just put the candles on top and then lit them. And this is so gorgeous. I absolutely love this. It's so pretty and definitely something that I can see being where it is right now year round. Next up, we're taking a silver platter from the party section in Dollar Tree, like where you can get all the party Tupperware and stuff. And then I found this vase from Dollar General. I think it was $3. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this wreath from Target's Dollar Spot. It was also $3. Remove all the ribbons and the tags. And then I'm not going to paint this tray at all. I really like this color and it's just really stable. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it holds really well. So all I did was hot glue my vase down to the center of this tray, and I put the wreath there so it can act as my base greenery piece, and then also to cover majority of the tray. Like I said, I do like the silver color, but I wanted majority of it colored. I just like the outer rim of it. But for most of all of my trays, you don't really see the tray, or for most of all of my centerpieces, you don't see the tray, but you see little peeks of it. Anyways, decorate this how you want. For this one, I chose to do a lot of greenery, a lot of glitter boxwood picks, and some eucalyptus, and also some berries and pine cones. Like I said, I didn't use any hot glue for much of any of these except for gluing down the vases. But yeah, changing it out is just going to be a breeze. And I love that the base of this is all greenery, because you can just take out the berries and the pine cones and it can just stay up year round wherever you choose. Once I was done with this gorgeous display, I went ahead and put some water in there. I did put a little bit too much water, and then I put a floating candle on top. I got it from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 2, and then I lit that candle up, and this is so gorgeous. I absolutely love this display. So pretty. I love the size of it. It's nice and tall. It's not too wide. It is just gorgeous. Next up, we kind of have like a centerpiece set. So this one isn't just one thing. I have all of these different shapes of glasses. Some of them are craft bottles from Dollar Tree, but everything came from Dollar Tree. And what I did is I just took my smallest pieces out of my craft stash and decided I wanted to go ahead and make these frosted. Now, this is my very first time doing any kind of frosted glasses using Epsom salt. I know a lot of people use kosher salt. I didn't have any, and I didn't feel like going to get any, and I had Epsom salt, so I just used that and a little bit of this fine glitter that I had from Walmart. I picked this glitter up like literally 2 years ago, so it's been lasting me a long time. But anyways, all I did was go ahead and put Mod Podge all over the glasses, and then poured the salt and the glitter all over it. I did mine in sections because I was just really unsure how this was going to turn out and how I was going to do it, but just go for it. Cover the entire glass piece with Mod Podge and just pour it all on there, and it'll come out so much better. You can tell the ones that look a little better that I did because I got a little bit more comfortable with actually doing it. But yeah, I absolutely love these. I think they're so cute, even just as is. But obviously I couldn't keep them as is, so I'm taking some of this gift trim that I got from Walmart, black and white, red and white, and like brown and white or tan and white, and all I'm doing is wrapping those around twice around the lip and the top of each of the glasses, and then hot gluing some glitter boxwood picks that I already had on hand, and I'm just hot gluing those to the center of that along with a pine cone or a berry, and then just tying that off. I've just kind of let everything kind of be how it was. So nothing is like set properly or like placed perfectly. I just hot glued it and let it do whatever it was going to do, and then kind of let the string hang how it wanted to hang. I styled this with a home sign that I already had, and I think it's just really cute. I love these. Like I said, it's a multiple piece thing, so you can separate these glasses or put them all together, but I absolutely love these. These were really fun to make. For my last DIY, this is more of just a styling decorate with me kind of centerpiece. I made this farmer's market crate during fall. I will leave a link to this in the description box to how I made it. But all I'm doing is going to style these with a bunch of boxwood greenery that I have and some pine cones and berries. I think this is just really fun, and it's just a really simple, easy thing you can do with stuff that you may have laying around in a crate or a centerpiece thing that you like, a tray that you already have on hand. So I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what you could do with stuff that you may already have, and you can transform it to make it look something even great. I really love all of these. I think they definitely look high end, and I couldn't be happier with how everything turned out. Alright dolls, that's that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye!